Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Did you miss me? I missed you. Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday. I am in Oceanside right now, which is on the south shore of Long Island. And I'm going back to a customer that I was at on Tuesday to give him an estimate to replace his central air conditioning system. And a rule of thumb that works for me, and this is what I do with all my estimates, I actually take a video of everything along with, seeing the measurements of ductwork and what have you. And that way I can reference back to it, if I get the job and it's a sold job. So I took a video of the estimate on Tuesday. He calls me back Tuesday evening and he goes, listen, I want to proceed with the Bosch IDS 2.0 system, 5 tons, rip out all my ductwork in the attic, and let's get it done. And I got him set up with financing through Synchrony Financial. So he's got, some time to pay with no interest, no payments. And they have great rates. Normally the dealer fee normally is around 5%. So, and of course that number changes based on what plan they get approved for, what have you. But it's the cost. It's part of the cost of doing business. If you don't offer financing, you could lose out on some jobs. My clients don't really use financing that much. Maybe I get a dozen deals a year, within a fiscal calendar year, about a dozen. I know some contractors that, push it, and they're getting, hundreds of deals a year, and they're being financed with a third-party bank. But anyway, I'm heading over back to this job because the video got lost. I don't know. I accidentally deleted it because iMovie said my phone storage was full, and I think I deleted it by accident. But anyway, I'm heading over to this job. We're gonna size up, take measurements of all the existing, the cans for the diffusers. I think he has a bunch of 6s and 7s there. I'm unsure of the return, which I'm also gonna replace. But this is a full rip-out job, ripping out everything in its entirety, and take a look at how they did the condenser power and line set. And let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below when you see the hackery that went on with this job. All right, make sure you thumbs up if you enjoy towards the end, and thoughts and feedback, criticism, even that in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already, the best way to support the channel is by subscribing. All right, let's go. All right, let's take a look at this beast. This old mama. I got somewhat of a floor here, so I'm kind of happy. There's our air handler, which I don't know how they made that work. Wow, look at that. They basically cut into the side of the return duct there. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hard 7-inch ducts with failing insulation. Those are all coming out. There's the main plenum. All right, so 4. And here we have, looks like another 7. That's a 6. So 6, 6, 6. I gotta measure that one. Look at this mess. I gotta rip all this stuff out. Everything's coming out. It's all coming out. Look at this line set. What the hell? What on earth they do here? They replaced them. Wow. All right. Oh God, wait until you guys see the outdoor unit. Oh, look at the old Tyco. California GT. Wow. That's a collectible. It's probably just a box. Oh no, it's in there. Huh. Wow. Look at that. He may sell us on eBay and pay for his Bosch. Crazy stuff. They left some old ductwork here. Wow. All right, let me take a list and I'll show you. This pan, wow. Talk about it, they rigged this thing. Wow. All right, so there's a condenser. 5-ton. Guardian R22. And look at the wiring they ran for the disconnect. I bet you that's probably a 50 amp circuit, and it goes under here, terminates, comes up through here, and somehow goes there. And this feeds the air handler with 240 volts. Now just look at this line set, by the way. So it goes up, across, around the chimney, across the roof, around the gutter, down there, to there, to there. Wow. So this is going I think right here, right there. And we'll come, make a hole there, line set covers, straight down, boom, next week. All right. That line set is, wow, that's a work of art right there. That really is. That's impressive. All right, a couple of changes that I'm doing to the, I guess, the air distribution of the system. You know, I'm ripping out everything. I'm keeping the diffusers, keeping the sealing cans. However, I'm increasing the 20 by 30 return filter grill. That's going to be a 24 by 30 by filter grill. It's going to take a 24 by 30 by 1 filter. I'm going to give him a case of non-pleated, cheap 30-day disposable filters. It's the best. Every 30 days, it's dirty, chuck it in the garbage. I'm also adding a small 10 by 10 return to the master bedroom suite. He normally keeps the door closed there. And again, I want to just increase a little bit more airflow to this 5-ton system that we're installing, which is appropriately sized for the house. And if you take a look at the insulation in the attic, you know, it's warranted. You know, you have that heat loss there. Anyway, let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating it. And let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Friday. Maybe I'll be back today. Maybe I won't. But and nonetheless, have a great weekend. Stay tuned Saturday and Sunday. I got videos lined up. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.